Be smart. Invest in ExtremeWorks. Are you tired of calling technical support only to be passed from advisor to advisor? The so-called smart way? Are you frustrated hearing the same old excuses that you'll need to be transferred to another level of technical support and dealing with a new advisor every time? The competition way? The not so smart way? Well, it's time for that madness to end. Introducing ExtremeWorks, your global in-house technical experts from ExtremeNetworks. The days of being handed off over and over again are done. Looking for technical expertise for troubleshooting a network issue? Our 100% customer satisfaction rate from Gartner's Peer Insights study and 93% first-person resolution is a key differentiator that makes ExtremeWorks the real smart choice. ExtremeWorks value extends past first-person resolution. We provide our customers with choices and the highest quality of service. In-house 24/7 365 GTAC global support. Application updates and upgrades. Advanced hardware replacement. On-site maintenance services. Web support to enable your IT staff a knowledge base to improve network performance. Please visit www.extremenetworks.com to learn more.